remedy or home facial tips which you can get all the ingredients right back to your kitchen and you can utilize them to get a glowing and a fresh dew. In this lockdown we are all trapped in our home and we cannot access the parlors outside. For that we have to maintain this facial or home remedy. You will get a glowy and a very fresh skin to feel. So now I have just applied the facial and with my bare face in front of you I'm showing you that how glowy my face has become after using this facial. So let's not waste our time more on the stock process and go directly to the ingredients part, because it will take a total of only 25 minutes to have this facial done. Before we go further to the ingredient part, let me introduce myself. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nabila Yasmin and I am in the blog named Glittersea. I talk about lifestyle, beauty and fashion tips, and you will get all the new beauty hacks in this channel. So just get tuned to my channel, and thank you for your subscription, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and also click the bell icon.
We will start with cleansing, and for it we will need aloe vera and milk. So firstly we'll take the aloe vera. I'll peel off it and take out the pulp from it. So this is the pulp which I have extracted by removing all the outer covers or like the green coating over it, and I'll dice it into small cubes so that it is easier for me to put it into a grinder and to blend it into some smoothie kind of thing. So here I have added it, put it in the blender, and this is my aloe vera pulp blended. Now I'll take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera pulp, and along with it I will add 1 tablespoon of milk and use it as a cleanser. So after mixing it well, I'll put it on my face. Before that, always clean your face with face wash before applying anything. So I have just cleaned my face with a face wash, and then I have applied this cleanser over it, and I'll try massaging it thoroughly so that the entire milk and aloe vera seeps into my skin. Massage it gently, giving an upward stroke. Remember to always massage it gently, not very harshly over your face. And this is done. It will take only 5 to 6 minutes for me, and then once all the milk and aloe vera is swept inside my skin, I'll go and wash my face. I have washed my face, and now only you can see how glowy it becomes in the first step only. Next, our second step is about scrubbing. So for this scrubbing we'll need an aloe vera pulp, honey, milk and rice flour. So first I'll add aloe vera pulp, then 1 tablespoon of milk, then I'll take half of tablespoon of honey, and then I'll put 1 tablespoon of rice flour and make it a smooth paste, which I'll gently put over my face. So this is the rice flour which I have, and I have added all the 4 ingredients over here. After cleansing we'll do the scrubbing part. So here I'll put all the mixture on my face, and then with gentle hand I'll do circular motions of massaging, because it will remove of all the dry cells which accumulated, also the blackheads which accumulated on my face. So I scrubbed my face for 5 to 6 minutes. We don't have to do it more because it will rupture your skin. Then I have prepared a bowl of water with lemon extracts in it, and then I'll take steam. I will not wash my face, I'll take steam instead, and once I will have taken my steam, your face will look like this. This is the after effect of a steam. And now the pores are open, so I have sterilized this blackhead remover, and after sterilizing I will be using it to remove all the blackheads which I am having along the sides of my nose. So gently I'll pull off all my blackheads. So after washing my face, this is the after look, so fresh. Now it's time for applying face pack. So for that we will be requiring 1 tablespoon of honey, then 1 tablespoon of aloe vera extract, and then besan I'll take over here half tablespoon. You can take multani mitti if you have. So putting all these 3 ingredients, I will mix it well to form a paste over here. My face pack is ready now, and I'll put it entirely all over my face in a layered way, and gently I will put it all over my face evenly. So after 10 minutes I'll go and wash my face, and this is the after effect of the pack. It will be instant glow. You can apply this pack separately if you don't want to apply the whole procedure. So the last part is applying moisturizer, and here I have used the remaining aloe vera pulp which I had, and put it overly on my face. If you are having a dry skin, you can add a capsule of vitamin E over here along with this aloe vera, but since I have pimples, I have not used any vitamin E, only I have put aloe vera over my skin. So aloe vera is very good for your skin. You can see the glow. So after washing my face, you can see my face is much cleared. Also the pimples which I had is nearly gone, the mark. So this is very good and effective for every kind of skin. Try it at home and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.